Welcome to a demonstration of VAS Suite for smart buildings, supporting public safety video analytics. To begin, a user can register themselves and, if pre-registered, can log in to access the web console. The web console displays all active analytics for the user and is now set to Analytics-Centric View. To instead see all cameras first, users may select Camera-Centric View. Here we see all 5 public safety analytics: Intrusion Detection, Loiter Detection, People Counting, People Occupancy, and Physical Distancing. We'll first discuss Intrusion Detection, an analytic that triggers when people enter keep-out zones. See real-time data, including total people in view and total intrusions. Alarms and notifications are generated by applying the rule on the top right. Clicking on the Event History button takes us to a screen showing all events, with a default 60-second frequency. We can change this to 30 seconds to get a finer resolution of the timeline. Select a time range to play back all events in the range as a consolidated video clip. Clicking Channel takes us back to the camera dashboard. Click the Notification History button to see all notifications sent according to the active rule. Clicking on a notification shows its communication details and the associated video clip. Now let's explore Loiter Detection. The zone of interest in this view is the platform, and we want to detect anybody loitering for more than 15 seconds. When people detected in the zone exceed the dwell time, their green box turns to red to indicate a violation. We click on Event History above the video to examine all the events that have generated loitering alarms. We can select any time period from the timeline and then play the video clips for the loitering violations as before. We next click on Notification History. We can click on any of the emails and follow the link to play the video clips for the violations that generated alarms. Here, notifications are configured to be set every 60 seconds. We next demonstrate the People Counting analytic. Here, we use the same video as before, but this time counting people on the platform. The total number of people detected is displayed in the upper right, and alarms are generated when the total detection is greater than 3 people. We can review the event and notification history as before and select an alarm to play the associated video clip from the event. Next, let's look at People Occupancy, where we track the number of people entering a building, up count, and leaving the building, down count, by counting the line crossings at the building entrance. And as before, we can examine the event or notification history, select any time period of interest, and play the associated video clips. The fifth analytic is Physical Distancing. In this camera view, we see red boxes that indicate a violation event when people are too close to each other. Alarms are generated when there are more than 2 violations in frame. Again, we can search history for events or emails to review the video. Finally, we show how to configure alarms for analytics. Here we pick Intrusion Detection to demonstrate the process. We select a camera and click on Alarm Configuration from its dashboard. We add a new alarm and name it Intrusion Detect. Using the dropdowns, we set the threshold condition to greater than 4 events. We can send notifications by email or SMS. Notifications can be sent to multiple addresses, and the subject can be predefined. Here, we set the frequency to 60 seconds. On the Alarm Management screen, we activate the new alarm configuration. Previous alarm configurations can be deleted. Contact Megh to learn how VAS Suite creates operationally reliable insights for your smart buildings.